Would you like to learn how to make some delicious jerk chicken wings? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
These are my clean chicken wings, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let's get started by lightly seasoning the chicken wings. We only need to lightly season the chicken wings because the jerk sauce is already pretty flavorful. So I'm going in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and cracked black pepper. Don't mind the label. This was filmed a while ago when we were still using the prototype before we went into production. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of chicken flavored bouillon to the chicken wings. On another day, I will be showing you how to make homemade jerk sauce, but today ain't that day. Today was the day to get something yummy, quick, and fast put on the table, child. And to do that, I like to use my girl Candy, the glam cook, her jerk sauce. It is so good. But unfortunately, currently, she's no longer carrying the product. So my other go-to when I don't have time to make homemade is Walker's Wood jerk sauce. It's really, really good too. They sell it in most supermarkets and Amazon has it as well. But please check out my girl Candy, the Glam Cooks channel. She's doing amazing things with food over there. It's best to let the chicken marinate overnight, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just pop it in the fridge until tomorrow. But that's optional since you think you grown. I'm gonna make my wings in my air fryer oven, 380 degrees for about 25 minutes or so, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. If you don't have an air fryer oven, just pop them things right on in the basket. And halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to flip the chicken wings. If you're using a regular oven, you want to cook the wings for about 30 to 35 minutes at 400 degrees. And once done, it can look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. Dang, that girl makes some food look pretty, huh? Yup, look pretty and taste even better. These wings came out super yummy. And it's really all in the jerk sauce. Once you have a banging jerk sauce, it'll make almost anything taste good. And Candy really did her thing with this jerk sauce. But you can't really go wrong with the Walker's Wood brand either, because that one is also very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. And please hit the like button. Bye-bye.